Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Verizon eSIM on your iPhone 16, follow these step-by-step instructions for a simple setup. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone 16 is running the latest version of iOS by going to Settings, General, and Software Update. Step 2. Contact Verizon customer service or visit a Verizon store to request an eSIM activation for your device. Step 3. Verizon will provide you with a QR code either via email, text message, or in-store printout. Step 4. On your iPhone 16, go to Settings, then tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. Step 5. Tap Add eSIM and select Use QR Code to scan the code provided by Verizon. Step 6. Position your iPhone camera over the QR code to scan it and wait for the activation process to begin. Step 7. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the eSIM setup, which may include labeling your line and choosing your default line for calls and data. Step 8. Once activated, you will see your Verizon eSIM listed under your cellular plans. Test the connection by making a call or using mobile data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.